In this lesson, we want to explain highlighter tool. These tools are used to create elements on the text on other part of photo to attract the attention to this part of the photo or text. You can choose one of the color and simply click and drag on a desired text. For example, here with a different color here to mention, to attract the attention to this text. You can also choose any color here and set amount of saturation, I mean full color or light color, in opacity section.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.